Good morning, friend. Today I am going to solve the rest part of chapter of exercise 2A. Here I have written both questions, question number 9 and question number 10. At first I am going to solve question number 9, then 10. To save the time, that's why I am doing so. So here the simplification solution of this chapter, we have 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 into 5 by 3 to the power minus 5 is equal to 5 by 3 to the power 3x. Everywhere we have seen 5 by 3, 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 is the base. 5 by 3 to the power minus 4 plus minus 5 is equal to 5 by 3 to the power 3x. In both places 5 by 3 is, so left it 5 by 3 and this one minus 9 is equal to 3x. This one the equation, and the value of 3x is equal to 3x is equal to minus 9. Therefore x is equal to minus 9 by 3, and when it cancelled here, minus 3 is the answer of it. The question number 9 is clear, and thus you have solved it. See, in question number 10, by the same process, we have 4 by 9 to the power 4 into 4 by 9 to the power minus 7 is equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. Four by 9 we will take as a base, and 4 plus minus 7 is equal to 4 by 9 to the power 2x minus 1. In both places 4 by 9 and 4 by 9, so no need to write this one, and to simplify it, minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. Minus 3 remain in the same place, and minus 1 transpose here, it becomes plus 1, and 2x is equal to minus 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 by 2. It will cancel, and here minus 1 is the answer of it. Both questions have completed. Thus you can solve it. See here, question number 11. By what number should minus 6 upon minus 1, minus 6 to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product becomes 9 to the power minus 1? The question is written here. By what number should be multiplied? So let the required number be x. Minus 6 to the power minus 1 into x. So the product becomes this one, the question. And here we have to simplify the value of x. We will get that one, the answer of it. minus 1 by 6, if we write so, into x is equal to 1 by 9 minus x by 6 is equal to 1 by 9 minus 9x is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 by minus 9. 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So 2 by minus 3, and when it rationalize, so it becomes here minus 2 by 3, and this one the value of x. Thus the required number, thus the required number is minus 2 by 3. This one the answer of it. In next question. Question number 12. By what number should minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 be divided so that the quotient may be 4 by 27 to the power minus 2? Let the required number be x. So by what number should? According to question, minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 divided by x is equal to 4 by 27 to the power minus 2. This one the question. So minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 divided by 4 by 27 to the power minus 2 is equal to x. I may write it because whenever x goes there and it will come here, the same sign will remain. Simplify it. So minus 3 by 2 to the power 3 divided by 27 by 4 to the power 2 is equal to x. Now we will simplify it, and minus 3 will multiply it 3 times. It becomes minus 27 by 8 divided by here 27 into 27, 729 by 16 is equal to x. Minus 27 by 8 into 16 by 729 is equal to x. 8 2s are and 20 27s are. Here minus 2 by 27. This one the value. Thus the required number is minus 2 by 27. This one the required number. And the last one, the last question of this chapter is written here. If 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 is equal to 125, find the value of x. We have 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 25 is equal to 125. 5 to the power 2x plus 1 divided by 5 to the power 2 is equal to 5 to the power 3, because 25, which is the, I may write it in this way. Again, in 125, the prime factorization of 25 is 5 to the power 2, and thus we write so. 5 to the power 2x plus 1, and here this one divided by 5 to the power 2, it means I may write here 5 to the 5 is the 5 is become here the base, and 2 is just divided by 2 by here this equation. So minus 2 will write in the place, and in RHS place 5 to the power cube remain the same. To simplify it, 5 to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to 5 to the power 3. In both places 5 is, so leave it 5, and the equation become here. So 2x is equal to 3, 1 is transposed there. So 2x is equal to 4. Therefore x is equal to 4 by 2, and it will be cancelled. So x is equal to 2, and this one the answer of it. Thus this chapter is completed. Now to revise this chapter once again, and then you will clear. I have given all the solutions, but this is not the way. During classes, you know me, one of you has to come the board, then I just want to check your ability. But here I'm helpless to check your own creativity. That's why I have given the solutions. But this is not the way for teaching, because teacher is only the guideline, and my student is capable to solve all type of questions. I know it very well. Still, during this epidemic, we are helpless, so we have to compromise our motto, our principle, and after all, the study is going this way, and the after completing this chapter, I am going the next one. So till, have a nice day, and be cautious about all types of problem. Thank you.